My name is Mr. Goodlookson. I teach programming and computers and PC servicing here at Panko. And I have the honor and the privilege of heading up Epic this year. This club is gathering a number of interested individuals in designing a real game, a game that we can actually sell, supposedly on Xbox Live, for PCs and for Xbox, and that we can play against each other. And so far, we've decided that we're going to have some sort of a, how do we put it, overhead space battle shooter. Not sounding too cheesy, but what we've got is some people working on the physics of it, some people are working on modeling, some people are working on background animations, we've got sound guys, got somebody working on collision, and then we have primary coders as well. And of course, Daniel, our project manager, who's going to bring everything together and make it all perfect at the end of it. And so far it's coming together great. Actually, we're really close to the point of where we're going to have all of the code, the major code, put in together so we can actually play for the first time, do a little beta testing. And that's a little warfare action, shooting bullets left and right. And we've got some people that are working on the mechanics for the actual future of the game, where we're going to take it. And some people are working on weaponry. What can they benefit from this? Well, we're doing hands-on real stuff. This is the way, an actual process that a real business would go through trying to make this thing. We're assigning jobs, and the people actually have to do this particular job before everybody else can actually benefit from it. So, for example, our project manager is actually going to go and find out if everybody has what they need. If they don't, then he'll go over to the modeling person and say, hey guy, I need you to do some more modeling so that this person can incorporate it in the actual code. And then somebody else needs to have the sound to go along with it. So we're bringing it together like a real operation. This is actually how these small businesses work. We've got a size of about 8 to 10 students, and it's a perfect size for making a game of this size and making a good quality game too. And we're doing advanced coding as well. I mean, we actually jumped into second level college stuff to actually get this stuff going. And well, one, you guys are getting it, which is great. And two, you're learning at a much accelerated rate as well. And actually having to apply logic and real world situations to this particular situation. Who can come? Basically anybody. But here's the prereqs for doing it. One, you got to be part of it. You got to show up. We have a website that you can go to that you have to be admitted as a member into. And if you're not going to be showing up very often, that's fine. We'll take everybody, because we can actually get smaller sections of the code, different parts of the project, and assign that out, and then you could do that and bring it back. For example, you're a big nut with graphics, but you don't even know how to use a computer. Well, one, go find somebody else to teach you how to use a mouse. But if you actually just do some awesome drawing and bring it in, then we'll scan it in, or we'll incorporate it, or we'll hand it over to somebody who will do the real pixel art with your ideas. That's great. We need more of that. When do we show up? We're doing a Tuesday after school, about 3 o'clock, 3:15 each day. Lately, we've been only doing it for about an hour and a half, but we'll probably end up staying here for about 3 to 4 hours each time, just coding. Basically, we need to bring everything together, and everybody needs to work together on it. And this is the number one time we have to do that. The number two time, it's on the website. If you're working on something at home, you got a cool piece of code you want to throw up there, just put it on the website. Everybody else can see it and incorporate it in what they're doing. And it's called teamwork. There's a Miss Pac-Man machine in here. Come on over.